Hello friends, myself Amin and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Amin's channel, and today I will take you to Dartmoor, an upland of southwest England, Devon, and which is famous for its natural beauty. In the background you can see a hill, but it is not an ordinary hill. It is having immense geological importance, as when it was formed it was much below the earth's surface and later on got exposed due to erosion of overlying rock. This is actually a boss or a batholith of smaller size. I will describe in later phases after giving you view of some natural beauties. And the Dartmoor as a whole attracts tourists from all over the world, as its beauty and environment goes on changing within a very short distance. You can see the roadside beauty on the way to Dartmoor from London. It is at a distance of 350 kilometers and can be reached by road within 4 hours. Now let us see the map of Dartmoor. North to south extension is about 40 kilometers and east to west extension is 30 kilometers, and total area covered is 954 square kilometers and maximum height is 621 meters. The Atlantic disturbance greatly influenced the weather condition of the area and goes on changing very rapidly, and maximum and minimum temperature average is 1 degree to 18 degree centigrade, and May to August is the best time for visiting the area. This tree and the bushes gives an impression of a desertic climate, what we have seen in third desert. And the next, it is a moist climate area where thick growth of mosses can be seen on the tree trunks and even below lying rocks also. Due to growth of these moss, road or the rocks are so slippery, one should be very careful, otherwise it is every possibility there to hurt himself. This happens due to intermittent drizzling. Now we have shifted to altogether different type of environment. It is full of greenery, and this greenery is entirely different from the other what we have seen earlier. Finally, we have reached the main item of our day's itinerary. It is called White Lady Waterfall, and the name is fully justified. After seeing the video, you will be of the same opinion why it is White Lady Waterfall. This White Lady Waterfall and many more other falls have given rise to many rivers, namely Dart, Plym, Tyne, and Avon, etc. And these are the main source of fresh water for the cities like Tavistock, Plymouth, Teignmouth, and other smaller villages in the area. Otherwise, every cities are in the coastal zone of English Channel. And again a remarkable change in the environment and topography of the area, and we have reached the place where we'll show in detail about that hill which I told in the beginning, that is Hatter Rock. And these are the ponies, Dartmoor ponies, and everywhere it is present. In earlier days these are used for transporting these rocks to London, and now they are left in the wilderness and they have become almost wild since the invention of trams, trucks, and other transport vehicles. This is the granitic boss or batholith of smaller size I was discussing in the beginning. I have not seen any batholith or boss in intact stage in India during my service life. I have also asked many of my GSI colleagues about their view whether they have seen this type of batholith in intact position in India or not, but all are in negative so far. Presently, it is under the guardianship of a rock climbing training institute, and students are there, so I could not climb at the time. And with the help of some graphics, I will try to explain how these are formed and how these got exposed. Actually, these are formed about 300 million years ago during Carboniferous period. In the graphic, you see batholith is written. 300 years ago, the batholith was buried under a thick pile of sediment. And with the passage of time, all the rocks above the red mass written as boss got eroded and it got exposed in the surface in the form of Hathor boss or Hathor rock. Some of the pavement blocks made up of this Dartmoor granite that I have seen in the cities like Tavistock, Plymouth and even London I have taken, but nowhere I could find a polished block. And these are extensively used in construction. Even London Bridge construction this was used, and these are some abandoned quarries. Can you have any idea after seeing these two parallel lines? These are actually remnants of horse-drawn tram lines for carrying these rocks to London for construction of London bridges. No iron rail is used, and only these granite blocks are used for making the tram line, and these are carried up to River Teignmouth. From there it was transported to London by ship. Now in the background we can see the Tower Bridge. Generally it is called a London Bridge, and actually London Bridge is different one. It is in my right side. In true sense, this is the London Bridge, which is now visible in the video, and in this bridge lot of granites from Dartmoor are used, and in the foundation it is written also London Bridge. Again this Tower Bridge is visible, and beside that is a Tower of London castle in which this famous Kohinoor diamond can be seen. As there is no light pollution or high-rise buildings in Dartmoor, some of the glimpses of northern lights or aurora borealis can be seen. And with this, I conclude my video with a request to like and subscribe it so that I can present you new video from the interiors of UK. Till then, take care and bye, and thank you so much for watching the video.